Welcome! If you've ever run an Instagram story with a sticker and wanted to see all the responses from just the past week, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the updated steps to quickly filter your Instagram sticker responses from the last 7 days. Let's get started. First, open up the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account where you posted your stories. Once you're in, head straight to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Now, look to the top right of your screen for the 3 horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Tap on it to open up a list of options. From here, select Your Activity. This section is like your personal dashboard, showing everything you've done recently on Instagram. Scroll down and tap on Sticker Responses. Here, you'll see all the replies people have sent to your story stickers. But if you want to narrow it down to just the past week, there's a simple way to do it. At the top of this screen, you'll notice a Filter by Date option. Go ahead and tap on it. A calendar or date selection menu will pop up. Choose Past Week from the options. Instagram will now filter your sticker responses, showing only those you received in the last 7 days. And that's it. You can now easily review all your sticker responses from the past week, making it so much easier to track feedback, run contests, or just see what your audience has been saying lately. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.